Hey, everybody, this is Reverend Kid Holmes. It is time for One Mind Wednesday. It is the 25th of February, 2026. And today, I'm not going to do a lot of talking. I'm just going to play you a song as a gentle reminder that peace begins within each of us. Integrity begins within each of us. Holding people accountable means we hold ourselves accountable. All of those things. Let it begin with me. This is an arrangement I did of the classic Let There Be Peace on Earth by Jill Jackson and Cy Miller. And you can find the full production with string section, etc. The link is in the description of this post. So blessings to you today. I can play you this song. Here we go. Let there be peace on earth, and let it begin with me. Let there be peace on earth, the peace that was meant to be, with God as creator. We are family. Let us walk with each other in perfect harmony. Let peace begin with me. Let this be the moment now. Every step I take, let this be my solemn vow, to take each moment and live each moment in peace eternally. Let there be peace on earth. Let it begin. Oh, let peace begin with me. Let this be the moment now. With every step I take, let this be my solemn vow, to take each moment and live each moment in peace eternally. Let there be peace on earth, and let it begin with me. Let it begin with me. Let it begin with me. Let it begin with each one of us. That's all I got for you for One Mind Wednesday. Thank you for joining me. Remember, we are all a part of the one mind, of the one consciousness. So everything we do affects everyone and everything else. So kindness matters, and love is indeed the only answer. I wish you deep peace, deep inner peace. And I wish for all of us that we bring that peace into the world every moment of every day. All right. I love you all dearly. I will see you again next Wednesday, One Mind Wednesday, right here. Take care. See ya.